What the center of Maclaurin expression of f of x is equal ln of 1 plus e power x. So answer for that. So the Maclaurin expression is equal what? So f of x is equal f of x0 means that because there is a Maclaurin is equal f of 0 plus f derivative of 0 x over 1 factorial plus f second derivative of 0 x square over 2 factorial plus and so on. So we are going to see how to find the f of 0. This f of 0 is what? Is equal ln of 1 plus e power 0. So this is equal ln of 1 plus 1, which is equal ln of 2. So this is the ln of 2 is equal f of 0. Then we find the f derivative of x first of all. The f of derivative of x is equal what? Is ln of 1 plus e power x. Then derivative. This is what we derive this 1 plus e power x. Derivative divided by 1 plus e power x. So this is what? This is equal e power x because 1 derivative is equal to 0. E power x derivative is equal to e power x divided by 1 plus e power x. So after working this, f derivative of 0 is what? E power x, that is 0, divided by 1 plus e power 0. This is equal 1 over 1 plus 1, because e power 0 is equal 1. So this is equal 1 over 2. So this is the 1 over 2. So the next is what? The next is equal, we find the f second derivative of x. So f second derivative of x is equal what? F second derivative of x is equal e power x divided by 1 plus e power x. So then derivative. This is the same to what? E power x. Derivative terms 1 plus e power x minus e power x. 1 plus e power x derivative divided by 1 plus e power x square. So this is the derivative of rational number. So let's continue for that. Let's continue for that. So f derivative also of x is equal, when you derive this, is equal e power x. So this is equal e power x, 1 plus e power x minus e power x times e power x divided by 1 plus e power x power 2. This is what? E power x bracket 1 plus e power x minus e power x. Simplify this and that. This is equal e power x over 1 plus e power x power 2. So after valuing this, so also f derivative of 0 is equal what? Is equal e power 0 over 1 plus e power 0 power 2. This is equal 1 over 2 power 2 is equal 1 over 4. Okay, remember that. So f of 0 is equal ln of 2. F of derivative of 0 is equal 1 over 2. We will see it. So also f derivative of 0 is equal 1 over 4. So then how to find expression of this? So then the c term is equal to that. So then ln of 1 plus e power x is equal what? Is f of 0 is equal ln of 2 plus 1 over 2x times 1 factorial plus 1 over 4x squared over 2 factorial plus and so on. So this is what ln of 2 plus x over 2 plus x squared over 8, because 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 4 is equal 8, then plus and so on. This is the one term, second term, and the third term. Those are the three. 8, because 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 4 is equal 8, then plus and so on. This is the one term, second term, and the third term. Those are the three terms of this. Thank you for watching this.